Hi, I am Janani. In this video, we are going to learn how to use MongoDB Compass to perform some of the CRUD operations. Let me open the MongoDB Compass. And the page will look like this. Connect to the database. And CRUD operations is nothing but some of the operations which we perform in the database to create, read, update and delete operations in MongoDB. And here is the database which I have created in my client tool. And these admin and config and local are the default databases provided by the MongoDB Compass. And let's create the database. Here you can create database using the command which I am using now, use and the database name which you are interested to give to the database. And here I am using sample mflex. And here it is switched to this database which I have created recently. And to list the database, one can use this command show dbs. And here you can see there is no database named the simple mflex because you haven't created any collection yet. In SQL database, after creating database, you will create table and then insert records. Whereas in MongoDB, after creating collection, you have to insert data in the form of JSON, and DB is created, but it won't show up here because I have not created any collection yet. So to add, to insert the documents into the database, let's use this command. And now I'm inserting the sample data into the database simple mflex. And here you can see db and dot movies. Movies is the name of the collection which we are going to create now. And insert one which helps to insert one document, one JSON data, that is a key value pair inside our collection. And hit enter. And now you can see acknowledge is true, means the data has been inserted into our collection, and it will show up here. Hit the refresh button, and here you can see the database simple mflex. Under the database, movies is the collection, and the object has been inserted into the collection. And we can insert more than one data into the collection using the insert many function. And let's see an example to insert more than one data into the collection at a time. And here you can see db.movies is the name of the collection, and insert many helps to insert more than one documents data in the form of JSON to our collection. And it will be under the list because it will be having more than one data, so it will be under the list. And you can see the data has been inserted into the collection, and the data will show up here. See, we have 3 data and we have inserted using insert many function. After inserting data into the collection, one can query the data using the find command, and we can do like this: db dot collection name dot find. Within this flower braces, and here you can see this command have been executed, and it will showing up the entire data which we have in the collection. And we can also use this command to find a specific query using a specific key value pair, and we can do that by the following by executing the following command. And here you can give any one of the key value pairs which you want to query, and here I am going to give title tag. Here this will return all movies where the title is equal to tag from the simple MFlix database movie collection. And here I have made a typo mistake. Here T is capital, is in capital, so I've changed it, and we will get the result means it will query the result, and it will give the movie list where the title will be equal to tag. And so now we are going to see how to update the data which we have inserted to our collection. db dot collection name of the collection, here name of the collection is movies dot update 1. And title is tag, we are going to update where the title is tag, and we are going to set the type from drama to movie. Here you can see type of the title is drama, and we are going to change this to movie. Type, okay, type is movie. Okay, here you can see it has been changed to movie from drama. And let's see one more example to insert data and to update the new record. Here student is the name of the collection, and we are going to insert the details of the student. Yeah, we have inserted the data into our collection, and let's insert another data. Okay, yeah, here we have two data, means two JSON format data in our collection named student, and let's update these data. Yeah, here we are updating the details of the student named Akshay where he has already marks 500 and we are going to change it to 25. I'll show you here. Here is our student collection, and here you can see the data which we have inserted now, and the marks of Akshay has been changed to 25 from 500. And let's update other student marks also. And here you can see there is 230 marks of Vishal, and now we have updated his score to 25. Here the marks has been changed. And next we are going to see how to delete the data in the collection, and for that we are going to use this command db dot name of the, we should give some of name collection, name of the collection, student, and delete many. This function gives helps us to delete all the records, or if we specify any, then it will delete the specified field or specified record. Here we are going to delete the every record, and you can see two data has been deleted. Yeah, there is no data in our collection. Likewise, you can delete, update and insert records into the collection using these commands. And here we are at the end of the video, and if you have any doubt in the CRUD operations to perform in MongoDB, one can comment in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you.